Hello all, welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to see some date and time functions in Excel. Myself, Omkar Desai, and until now we have seen different functions, different options in Excel. Today, we are going to learn about date and time function. So these are the listed topics or these are the listed functions which we'll be covering as part of this video. So without wasting time, let's get back to the Excel. So as I said earlier, we have prepared some reading material for you. It's a just text thing. You can go through it and maybe understand some insights of it. So this material will be available with this video in a link given below. But not just going through this now. We'll create our own new sheet and we'll have a practical of it. This date function will return a date for a given specified data in a Excel format. To elaborate more, let me show you this date. So say the year is 2020 and then the month is 6 and the day is 7th. It 6 and this is how you do it. So this is a basic general format of date in MS Office Excel. You can see here the format of this particular cell have been changed to date by default. So it's a short date. Next is you can generalize it, wherein say I believe I'll give 7 and 6. We'll give that date, and then we have year here, we have month here, and we have here, and we have day here. This is how we do it. So 4. This is how you do it. This is how you use this date function. Next we have it as now function. So we have seen this function earlier, but I'm just explaining it again. So this now will give us the current date with time. You can see it has returned the current date and the current time. So this will be in 24-hour format always. We can use this later, so wherever we want it. Next function we have it as say today function. So this today function will return only the date, only today's date. It will not return any timestamp. So this similar thing as now, but just the difference is this now will return a timestamp as well, and this today will return just a date. Next we have it as say day function. We'll have it here itself equals to day, and the serial number will have it as say this one. What it will return is it will return a day from this date. So today is 7th day. So it has returned me 7. What we can do is we can try out some more things like here. So it is 17th is the day, and it has returned the day from this particular sheet, or from this particular cell, from this D3 cell. This is how you use this day function. So day function is to return a day which is used in the date given format. So again, you can use this day and today function in common. This will give you today's day. Next is month. The same thing, same hand. It will return a month for a given date. Same hand will try to give it a shot this as well. This date, or we can use this function with the function today as well. Will return today's month. This is how it is. Next, obviously, day is done, month is done. What has left out is year. Here we have year as, say if we give it the state, it'll return the year for this date, or and again, as we have done it for day and month, we can use this year function with day function as well. It'll return us today's year. Next we have it as hour. So it'll return the current hour, current ongoing hour. So the difference between this and this is, so with this particular thing, the hour is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So which is 12 in the night. So at when this day have started. So to tell you, hour, you can see 0 hour, which means this when this day have started. So this today is not returning any, since it is not returning any timestamp. So by default, this date will be defined like this: 20, then space 0 colon 00 colon 000. Means 0th hour, 0th minute, and 0th second. This is how it recognizes this date. But this can be used over now function. To explain you better, we can use let's use it over today function, and then let's use it over now function. Okay. As you can see, today function don't have any timestamp, so it has returned the 0th hour of this today. As now. It's a 14th hour, 2 o'clock p.m. It's a 14th hour here. This is how you use hour function. Next is the minute function. Then let's have it here itself. It's 3 minutes now, 2 hours and 3 minutes at PM. Again, on the same hand, we can use it for use it over today function. It'll return us 0 because today will return a date with 0th hour for the today, and with now function, this is how you do it. Next is the last one from the section, second function equals to second current second, like 2 hour 2 p.m. 4 minutes and 1 second was the one which we have at which we're checking for it. It'll keep on updating. We can have it as today's. It will return me. Okay. One thing to observe here: if you make any mistakes while writing any formula, it'll return value as hash name or hash name. Let's have it as second. Then if we give it as today, here it is. Or you can use it over now function as well. Here it is. So 2 hours, 4 minutes and 53 seconds. So these are the basic operations over or date and function formats, or date and time formats. So that's all we have for this particular video. In the next topic, we'll be covering VLOOKUP function in Excel. So thank you for now.